Bob Marley 22nd annual birthday tribute. We're there, we're running to home. The lovely Keisha Martin. How you going, my friend?
They're enjoying the full joy and the vibes. The great, late great Robert Nesta Marley Burstrong. Every year we're there supporting. Big up CCB band and the whole family. Always a great vibe. The house is like cock and the vibes, the energy is up. So we're there, you see me?
And so when you say Bob Marley, see, what Keisha Martin think about? When you say Bob Marley, where you make about? What come to your mind? And the music and everything there.
The revolution will not be televised, and that was said. Him set the thing, and guess what? Music, the rebellious music, rebel music, and that come to mind when I think about Bob Marley. Sure. And you know, it feeds the people and them soul.
Rayvon, what go on?
There, my brother. There, you know, in that place, you know, Bob Marley birthday. Yeah, man. And trust me, the vibes was nice. It's a fast show for going all about as a lover of Bob Marley music. In a global format, you know, I mean, I'm sure Bob Marley touch people all over the world. I mean, being in my musical journey to travel around the world, I see Bob Marley's influence. Because you know, Bob Marley celebration everywhere.
Yeah, man, we're there. I run to Ras Droppa in the house tonight.
Don't know.
Yeah, man, what big man?
Yeah, give time, bless up, you know.
Very good. It is a special occasion tonight, you know.
Yes, sir.
See?
Yeah,
you know about it?
I mean, man, them not perform. Alright, sir. Bob Marley there, you know?
Yeah.
I heard strong and everything, you know?
For real, man.
So we are with our vibes, you know? CCB.
So,
you know, just greatness, you know, legend, greatness.
Come chat with me.